Hi guys, thanks for tuning in today. So you've been riding your bike now for the last year, 18 months and you've had a bit of slow starting or stuff like that, and you're thinking to yourself, you got battery problems, and you think, well, what sort will I buy? Well, with these bikes you can go for a few different varieties of batteries and stuff like that, but I'll just tell you which ones I've had pretty good results with, or one in particular. So on these bikes from new, after I get sick of the standard one, I usually run to this one here, a motor bat. This one will fit straight in, and there's your model number. It's the MBT X14AU. Fully sealed, gilder. And I've had one of these on and off. I've been using in various bikes now for something like 5 years, and it's still going. Nothing wrong with this battery. It's sort of still kicking along well, and I usually swap them over. The best thing about it, they're easy to fit. You got terminals to go either side. They got good cranking power, more cranking power than the factory one, and they run at a little over $100, something like that. So there's an option for you later on if you ever need a new battery. I think these are pretty good ones, and they also, in the last year, I think they've brought them out now lithium, so they're a bit more expensive, so they'd be worth a try, and probably a bit lighter in weight too. So that's an option for you if you decide you're out looking for a battery and you wonder which one will fit this bike after that one, because probably your factory one will probably go close to the price of this motor bat, and given the choice I'd rather have the motor bat any day. So that's something for you to look at if you're after a new battery. Go motor bat.